Welcome to the 69th season of Backyard Farmer. After last year, we are so excited to be helping all of you in the landscape world, especially you 16 million new gardeners from last year. We want to keep you in the fold, give you all that great information, so if you want to grow your own Swiss chard instead of buying it in the grocery store, you will know how to do that. So let's take a look at some of the products that might be useful as we venture out into spring of 2021. It can be really overwhelming if you walk into a garden center and you're new to the gardening world, and even if you're not, because of all these products, many of them new as well. So you look at the soil, the topsoil or the soil mixes that are for a container or to go out in the landscape itself. Of course, tools to a gardener are just like walking into a hardware store. We can spend hours just picking out the right pruning saw. And then we have the seeds, the grass seed, the seed itself, all the plants, and then the accoutrements that go with a garden. Watering cans, even those garden gnomes. So let's take a look as we move to go into the community garden and see how people come together, enjoy the gardening world and the great outdoors. A garden is a promise of things to come, and that is never more true than in a community garden, where we have all these great plots of land with people thinking about what they're going to be growing for the coming season. We hear so many stories about people gardening at their mother's knees or their grandparents' knees, and then carrying that on to other generations. So just imagine here the richness of the education, actually the kinds of things that people are going to eat or grow or prepare from different cultures, and everything you can learn as you're working in your own plot, growing your food for your family. You don't have to garden to actually enjoy the great outdoors with your family and your friends. You can do something as simple and wonderful as playing outside, going to a park, enjoying a picnic, engaging with friends at a community center. And when you run into problems in that garden or that landscape or that great outdoors, you can always get a hold of the Backyard Farmers. We are more than willing, ready, and able to answer all of those questions.